This is probably my favorite photo of me as a little girl and my mom. She's dancing hula, and I'm pretending to accompany her on the ukulele. Now, this was probably 1955 or maybe 6, so it's perfectly appropriate for it to be in black and white, but I want to see what it would look like in color. This is currently in Google Photos, and Google Photos has a ton of AI editing tools, but so far it can't colorize a photo. So I'm going to just download this to my computer. Now I will go to Gemini, click the little plus to go get that picture. And yes, I could have gotten it in other ways, but this is the clearest way. So there it is. I open it. Gemini now sees this black and white photo, and I just ask it, colorize, and submit. Wow. Wow. That's it. I now have a color photo. I can download that or copy it or share it. Actually, the more I looked at it, the more I thought, oh, the grass skirt doesn't look right. That's brown. It should be more green. So I just said the grass skirt should be more green, like grass. And this is what I got. Yep, now it's right. Colorize this photo. Gemini. What was that? 3 seconds.